Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Chris, this is my shop partner Oots, and today I just quit my job to become a woodworker. So technically, I didn't quit my job to be just a woodworker, I actually quit my job to be a YouTuber or content creator. And that essentially means that I'm going to make videos or other content based on woodworking and metalworking and other things like that. So first and foremost, I really want to thank all of you who have been watching my videos, who have subscribed to my channel, my Patreons, all the really encouraging comments and emails I get. Without all of that and all the support over this last year, there's no way I would have been able to make this decision to move to making content full-time. And now that I am going to be making content as my full-time job, there's going to be a lot more awesome stuff out there. I'm going to be able to put videos out more often. I'll be able to invest more time into giving my awesome Patreon some extra cool behind the scenes footage. So I really want to thank all of you for all your support. It means the world to me. So you might be wondering what I did as my full-time job. Well, I worked for a university here in Michigan. I was the director of public safety. Wasn't really a job that I ever aspired to be. It kind of was a part-time job when I was going to school, and it turned into a full-time job, and then it turned into some promotions, and I've been there for a long time, and it's been a good job for me. I was able to get my undergraduate degree in finance there for free. The pay was pretty good, the benefits were pretty good, and the people that I worked with were awesome. So I never really hated going to work, but it really wasn't a fulfilling job for me. What is really rewarding and fulfilling to me is to be able to create things. And now I get to do that every day, and I'm super grateful. I'm super lucky. I feel incredibly blessed. And so again, that's because of you, so thank you. Well, I'm not sure what the future's gonna hold, but I'm super excited at the opportunity to be able to follow my dreams. I'm really excited to be able to make things every day. It's gonna be awesome. And I wanna say, if this is something you wanna do, I have a couple quick recommendations. First is this awesome book by Bob Claggett. He has the channel I Like to Make Stuff. And this book talks about his journey from quitting his job and becoming a content creator full-time. There's a bunch of awesome information in here, and it's incredibly inspiring. So if this is something you want to do, make sure you get this book. Help support Bob. There also is an awesome podcast called Made for Profit. It's by a couple great YouTubers and guys that are awesome with social media, John Malecki and Brad Rodriguez. It's a great podcast. I've learned so much. It's like tailored for if you want to get into doing this full time and make a living at it. So thank you guys for that podcast. It's awesome. Another great resource is just other YouTubers. Reach out there and network and meet some people, talk to them. I have a good group of guys that I've been talking to for a long time now that are just an awesome source of information. I learn a ton from them. So again, I just want to say thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, who watch the videos, who like the videos and comment and share. I really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. I'm able to kind of follow my dream now and make content and make woodworking projects and other things. So I promise I have a lot of really good stuff coming, so make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much.